Hi friends, today we will see how to download and install SQL Developer. Oracle SQL Developer is a free integrated development environment. It is a basically graphical version of SQL Plus that gives database developer a convenient way to perform basic tasks. You can run SQL statement and script, edit and debug PL SQL code, manipulate and export data, view and create reports, a complete data modeling solutions, and migration platform for moving your third-party database to Oracle. So let's not waste time. Let's go to download section of SQL Developer. Open Google Chrome. This is the link of SQL Developer. I will share it in description box. Click on download button. According to your version, if it is 32-bit, you download 32-bit, otherwise 64-bit with JDK 8 included. My laptop is 64-bit, so I'm downloading this version. To give your Oracle login details. If you don't have any Oracle logins, please create an account, otherwise it don't allow you to download. Sign in. It will take several minutes to download. Now we'll go to that folder. Show in folder. The file. Unzip the file. Go to that folder. Go to that. Now click on this executable file. Oracle SQL Developer is opening. Just unzip it and use it. I have already shown what is the username and a password that I have given. Using that username and password, there has to be login. This name you can give in anything. Suppose admin underscore local. Username is system that I have given. Is a username is system. Username is system and password that I have given. You can test it. The status success, that means connection is done properly. Click on connect button. See the student table that we have created. This is the structure of the table that we have created in SQL Plus by typing code. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.